the 6kh-2 bayonet, produced by the Izhevsk mechanical plant in the Soviet Union, is the Army's Standard 1, adopted by the Soviet Armed Forces along with the AK Type 3 in 1953. Its mounting ring enables it to be attached to the muzzles of AK and AKM. It was made by the Izhevsk plant until replaced by the 6kh-3 for AKM. The 6kh-2 follows the blade design of the M1940 bayonet for the Tokarev 40 rifle, with a single blade and a blood groove, as there's no bayonet mount on the rifle. It's installed on the muzzle protector via the spring latch and muzzle ring and fixed by the handle's tail. The square grip consists of two plastic pieces fixed on the blade shaft by two screws. Besides the Soviet Union, its design was exported to Eastern Bloc countries like Bulgaria, Poland, Hungary, the GDR and China, where local factories made imitations for their domestically produced AK Type 3.